Today, we are going to explore one of the largest, remote, and open spaces in the world. Welcome to the Australian Outback. The Outback is the vast, remote interior of the Australian continent and is very sparsely populated. This region stretches all across from the northern to southern Australian coastlines and covers a range of climate zones, from very dry and arid areas to areas that receive a lot of rainfall in the monsoon season. The Outback is home to a lot of flora and fauna, many of which are not found in any other parts of the world. Native Australians have lived in the Outback for almost 50,000 years. They occupied almost all regions of the Outback, even the driest deserts. The Europeans first entered Australia in the 1800s. Despite colonization of this continent, the Outback is recognized all over the world as one of the largest remaining, intact, natural areas on Earth, nearly entirely free from any human exploitation. For example, the savannas of northern Australia are the largest intact savanna regions anywhere in the world. Wildlife thrives at the Outback, though you may not notice it initially. Many animals, such as red kangaroos and dingoes, hide in bushes to rest and keep cool during the heat of the day. The place also has a huge diversity of bird life. The Outback is home to a diverse set of animal species, such as the kangaroo, emu, and dingo. The dingo fence, a very long fence, was built to restrict dingo movements into agricultural areas, and it's currently the longest fence in the world. Finally, before we head out of the Outback, we need to pay a visit to this large rock. A famous landmark in the Outback is the Uluru, also known as the Ayers Rock. This is a massive sandstone rock formation in the southern part of the Outback. This place is recorded as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the rock is sacred to many Aboriginal natives of the area. This structure is one of Australia's most recognizable natural landmarks, and it stands almost 1,150 feet high. The Australian Outback is full of surprises and beautiful landmarks, such as the Uluru, that you can visit, and you should definitely visit this place someday.